In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an Instagram carousel post with Canva. First, open your browser and head over to your Canva dashboard. You can use either the free or paid version for this, so don't worry if you're on a free account. Once your dashboard loads, you'll see a menu on the left-hand side of the screen. In that left-hand column, click on Templates. This is where Canva stores all of its ready-made designs, and it's the quickest way to get a professional-looking carousel without starting from scratch. At the top of the Templates page, you'll see a search bar. Click into that bar and type Instagram Carousel. Press Enter, and Canva will show you a collection of carousel-style designs that are already sized correctly for Instagram. From the results, look for the option that says Instagram Carousel Post and click on it. This filters the templates so you only see layouts specifically built for multi-page Instagram posts. Now, browse through the templates and pick one that suits your style and content. Think about your brand colors, the mood you want to create, and how much text you plan to include. When you found a design you like, click on that template. Next, click on Customize this template. Canva will open the full editor, showing you each slide of the carousel as a separate page along the bottom or side. From here, start personalizing the text. Click on any text element on a carousel page and type in your own content. You can adjust the font, size, color, alignment, and spacing using the toolbar at the top. Take a moment to keep your fonts and colors consistent across all pages so the carousel feels cohesive. To change the background color of a page, simply click on an empty area of that page, then choose a new color from the options that appear. This is a great way to match your brand palette or create contrast between different slides. If you want to add more visual interest, click on elements in the side panel. Here you can add shapes, graphics, 3D icons, animations, photos, frames, grids, videos, audio, forms, mockups, charts, and even tables. Drag and drop anything you like onto your design and resize or reposition it as needed. To use your own images or videos, click on Uploads. Upload files from your device, then drag them onto your pages. You can place them inside frames, use them as backgrounds, or combine them with text and graphics. If you'd like to drive people to a website or landing page, you can also add a QR code. Click on the QR code option, paste in your link, and Canva will generate a code you can place on any slide in your carousel. Once you're happy with every page and you've checked your spelling and alignment, click on the Share button in the top right corner of the screen. From the drop-down, choose Download. A download settings window will appear. Canva usually suggests the most suitable file type for Instagram, typically a high-quality image format. Leave it as is, unless you have a specific reason to change it, then click on Download again. Canva will process your design and save it as a file on your device, containing all the carousel pages in order. Now you're ready to upload that file to Instagram and share your new carousel post with your audience.